Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix a restricted account on Instagram and regain full access to your account. Having your account restricted can limit what you can do on Instagram, like liking posts, following accounts, or commenting. Here are the steps to lift the restriction. The first step is to find out why your account was restricted. Go to Settings, Help, Support Requests, Violations, and review the details of restriction. Check the violation listed and see if there is an option to appeal the decision. If you believe the restriction is a mistake, submit an appeal explaining your case. Once your appeal is submitted, Instagram will review it and let you know their decision. If you haven't received a violation notice or can't find the reason for the restriction, try logging out of your account and log in back in. This simple step can refresh your account and sometimes lifts the restriction automatically. If the restriction is still there, move on to the next step. Clear Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This can remove any temporary issues that might be causing this restriction. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app to refresh the app data. After reinstalling, log back into your account and check if the restriction has been lifted. Finally, reach out to Instagram support. If the restriction resists after following these steps, contact Instagram support for further assistance. You can do this by going to Settings, Help, and Report a problem. Describe the issue clearly and provide any relevant screenshots to help Instagram understand the problem better. Instagram support will review your case and should get back to you with a response. In the meantime, avoid any behavior that might have caused the restriction, like excessive liking or following too many accounts in a short period. And that's it. Follow these steps to lift the restriction on your Instagram account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!